One morning, a gentle breeze swept through the little town, carrying the promise of a new day. But as families began their routines, a startling discovery brought everything to a halt. The wooden bridge that arched gracefully over the babbling stream had broken in the night. Cracks zigzagged through the planks, and a wide gap yawned in the middle, making it impossible for anyone to cross safely. In homes on both sides of the stream, children peered out their windows, eyes wide with worry, and parents exchanged concerned glances. The children gathered at the stream's edge, staring at the broken bridge. Their backpacks hung heavy, not just with books, but now with uncertainty. "Oh no, how will we get to school?" one child exclaimed, voice tinged with alarm. Another chimed in, "We need help!" The grown-ups nodded in agreement, knowing that without the bridge, daily life would come to a standstill. The problem felt too big for anyone to solve alone. Just then, a rumble in the distance grew louder, accompanied by the cheerful vroom, vroom of engines. Help was on the way. Dump truck. Danny rolled into view, proud and sturdy, his bed loaded high with gravel and strong rocks. Behind him came Excavator Ellie, her big scooping arm ready for action. Bulldozer Ben was next, his powerful blade prepared to flatten and shape the land. And bringing up the rear, rescue truck Ruby arrived, her lights flashing brightly, a beacon of hope for the worried townsfolk. Dump truck. Danny pulled up near the stream and declared, "I'll bring strong rocks for the new bridge." His voice was deep and reassuring. Excavator Ellie smiled kindly. "I'll dig out the broken pieces and lift the heavy wood." Her arms swung smoothly, eager to help. Bulldozer Ben rumbled forward. "I'll flatten the ground to make the bridge steady." His blade glinted in the morning sun. Rescue truck Ruby flashed her lights and said, "And I'll keep everyone safe with my warning lights." Her presence made everyone feel secure. The townspeople stepped back, watching as the rescue team sprang into action. Dump truck Danny carefully dumped his load of gravel and rocks at the base of the bridge, creating a sturdy foundation. The rocks settled with a satisfying crunch, promising strength and stability. Excavator Ellie swung her arm over the stream, scooping up the broken planks and beams with precision. She gently placed the old wood in a safe pile, clearing the way for new construction. Bulldozer. Ben revved his engine and pushed the gravel and dirt into place, smoothing the ground so that the bridge would rest on solid earth. All the while, rescue truck Ruby parked nearby, her lights blinking in a steady rhythm. She guided the children and parents away from the work site, making sure everyone kept a safe distance. Her bright lights and friendly voice reassured the crowd. The teamwork was seamless. Each vehicle had a special job, and together, they were unstoppable. As the hours passed, the new bridge began to take shape. The townsfolk watched in amazement as the vehicles worked together, turning a daunting problem into a solution. Child 3, standing with friends, pointed excitedly and cried, "Look, the bridge is almost ready!" The mood shifted from worry to excitement as everyone saw the progress. The vehicles continued their work, never missing a beat. Dump truck Danny hauled in more rocks as needed, his tires crunching over the gravel. Excavator Ellie lifted new wooden beams into place, her movements careful and precise. Bulldozer Ben pressed the ground flat, ensuring every part was level. Rescue truck Ruby's lights glowed even brighter as she signaled when it was safe to approach. Finally, the last beam was set, and the bridge stood strong and proud across the stream. Its wooden planks gleamed in the sunlight, and the sturdy rocks beneath promised safety and stability. The rescue team took a moment to admire their work, satisfied that their efforts had paid off. Children were the first to test the new bridge, stepping carefully at first, then running and laughing as they crossed to the other side. Parents followed, grateful that they could once again drive to work and run errands. Bicycles zipped across, their wheels gliding smoothly over the planks. The whole town gathered to celebrate, voices rising in a joyful cheer. And then, from the heart of the rescue team, a song began. All the vehicles joined in, their voices blending together in a happy chorus.
Work together side by side.
Build a bridge that's safe and wide. Teamwork makes the day so bright. Now the town can cross just right. The catchy tune echoed through the valley, making everyone smile. The children clapped their hands and shouted, "Thank you, rescue team!" Their voices rang with gratitude and admiration for the hard-working vehicles. Dump truck. Danny honked his horn in delight. Excavator Ellie waved her arm. Bulldozer Ben made a cheerful beep. And rescue truck Ruby flashed her lights in a joyful pattern. The little town had faced a big problem, but with teamwork, determination, and a helping hand from their vehicle friends, they found a way forward. The bridge was more than just a way to cross the stream. It was a symbol of what could happen when everyone worked together. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, casting a golden glow over the brand new bridge, hope and happiness filled the air. From that day on, the townspeople remembered the lesson of the rescue team. Whenever a challenge appeared, they knew that by joining forces and supporting one another, they could fix anything. The children walked to school with confidence, parents drove to work with ease, and the stream flowed peacefully beneath the sturdy bridge. All thanks to dump truck Danny, excavator Ellie, bulldozer Ben, rescue truck Ruby, and the magic of teamwork.